Today, I'm going to talk to you all about stocks with large price decreases. Last time we spoke, I showed you all stocks that um, had large price increases. So this is another percent change scan. And like I said, percent change scans are really helpful looking at movements, when looking for volume movements, and looking for maybe other particular indicator movements. So this one I'm going to show you for prices, but I'll also show you how to adjust it for the other values that you might be looking for. So to get started on this one, we're going to go ahead and open up our technical scan workbench. So we'll go ahead and click here. And then from here, as always, our first line is going to be the type of stock. But here, the next line is when we're going to add our criteria. So like I mentioned in the last video, I'm going to filter out a few things, like I want the country to be the US, and I also want to make sure that the closing prices that we're looking at are greater than 1 and are less than 400. And that just keeps things clean and simple. All right. And so for this particular scan, what we're going to be wanting to look at is we want to see that the percent change has, um, we want to look for percent change. So let's go ahead and type in the percent change indicator, and we're looking for it to be over 20 days. You can adjust that. If you want to look at it over a shorter amount of time or a longer amount of time, you just add more or less days. And for this, we're looking at the closing price, but you could also adjust that for volume. And because this is going to be a large price decrease, we're going to make it less than, not greater than. So for increase, it's greater than. For a decrease, it's less than. And likewise, we want to change this to a negative number. So if we're looking for a large price decrease, we're going to do negative 15. So let's go ahead and run this scan. Might take a minute, but you'll see that there's still a lot of results even though I try to reduce the number of stocks. And that might give you an indicator that this particular point in the market is actually on a decline or a downtrend. So this is something to note. And a way to figure that out is just look at the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow to see if they're down than where they were yesterday or the last trading day. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first example. We'll look at AAME. And remember, this is over the last 20 days. And as you can see, over the last 20 days, it has decreased significantly. It was around 5.5, almost 6, and now it's at 3-ish. So that's definitely more than a 15% drop. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more. Let's look at ABIO. And I can already tell similarly, right, that there has been a significant drop. So here it was around a little over about 4.2% or $4.2 at the close. And if we're looking here, we can see it's at 3.5 or $3.50. So definitely more than a 15% decrease. So I hope this is helpful. It's a really good tool in trying to find stocks that are are on a decline but might be heading towards an accumulation phase, which is just trading sideways. So you can use this in combination with your other scans that I've shown you to be able to find whatever strategy that you're looking for. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned. I got a few more videos for y'all. Take care.